Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. I am in nature and you can see I find the Rose Bay Willowherb, and it's also known as Fireweed, and you can enjoy the flowers now. They are really good to make nice colorful jams and jellies, and you can also use the flowers to make a nice herbal tea. Originally the leaves are mostly used for the tea. You can make a nice fermented even chai tea. It used to be there instead of the traditional black tea. I am sure you can find plenty of recipes online. I will try to make it this year, but now I'm just enjoying the flowers. What I did so far, I infused some flowers in oil. So this is my first time, and I will let it steep for a couple of weeks or so, and I will see how it goes. And I also dried some flowers for later on in the season when I can enjoy herbal tea, especially during the winter time. So I want to bring back this nice color and memories of summer during the winter season. And also you can make some nice infused honey, so if I've got some time I will try to do so as well. If you do your own fermentation vegetables or something like that, you can add it into your ferments and enjoy this beauty. Another thing which has crossed my mind is you can try to do infused salt or infused sugar. I believe the color will be wonderful, bright pinkish. So if you really want to do something for your eyes while you're eating something beautiful, why don't you try this one? And let me know in the comments below, what do you do with fireweed flowers? Have you got any nice recipes to share? I am curious to know. Thank you so much for tuning in. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.